Hi guys, Motorola has added a useful new feature with the Android 16 update. In this video, I will show you how to enable it on your Motorola phone. So let's get started. First of all, open settings. Then scroll down and tap on gestures. After that, tap on system navigation. Here you will find a new option called circle to search. Simply turn it on. And that's it. The feature is now enabled on your Motorola phone. To use it, simply press and hold the navigation bar or home button. Then tap and circle any text, image or object on your screen to search for it instantly. You can also ask questions about what you have selected and get answers right from there. It's a quick and easy way to find information without leaving the app you are using. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.